All right, today is August and today is Saturday. It's the time of the day, as you can see. I got one of my phones here aimed to capture the moment. I'm finna turn on my central AC with the micro air soft starter kit on it and see if she gonna vibrate more or less during the major surge. Will the surge be reduced? That will cause my inverter to vibrate less than it used to be, or will it be about the same? Let's find out. Hit the video on this. I'm gonna go turn on the central AC and see how she does when the AC starts up with the micro air soft starter kit installed in it. Alright, here's the moment. Let's turn her on and see what she does. Whoa. So everybody, this is success. I'm at the go back on the video and check to see how much was the inrush current it drew before the AC unit started. As you can see, the AC has started, and let's check out the micro air soft starter app on my phone and see how much was the inrush, the surge current when it's turned on. Alright, here's the reading right now, the meters with the AC on, 90.2, going through the inverter and drawing 120, about 120 amp from the batteries. And the greatest thing about it is my FlexMax 80 is helping out. It's in the wind turbine. I got them both on also, backing it up, you know. It was coming in 74 volts, out 23.9 volts, because the AC is on, it's drawing a lot of current, you know. But it's running my baby. It's running the AC. This is a success, everyone. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, as you can see, the central AC is on. This is the only component that draws the most current, about 17, 18, maybe up to 2,000 watts to run this thing with the compressor inside. My soft starter kit inside. It did great. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Makes me very proud. As you can see, my baby is running the AC. Oh man, she blowing. Let's go and check and see how much was the inrush current. Alright, let's go to the app. Remember, it's on Bluetooth right now. I'm close to the unit, got to be about 30 feet from it. The AC unit's right on the other side of this wall right here, as you can see. It's connected. Oh yeah. It's connected, it said. Let's see how much was the inrush current when it started. Oh. Only 21 amps. Man. On the last video, it was about 78, 79 amps start up without the soft starter kit. It's great, everybody. It's great. It's all the total starts it's been doing since I had this kit on the unit outside though, and it learned 5 times, and this is great, everybody. This is great. It's been reduced. The inrush surge was reduced to 21.2 amps, and my inverter took it like a king. It didn't hum all loud and stuff like it usually do without this starter kit on it, and god damn, I am proud. That's what I'm talking about, everybody. It's my baby. Starting up the AC. This is a quick review of me testing the micro air soft starter kit to start the AC unit outside. I might keep this on all day or something, you know, because the AC gonna continue running though, because the temperature gonna stay at 77 degrees all day long. Might go to 78 or 79. The AC is not gonna turn off though, you know, because it's the hottest part of the day, and also I need to turn on my attic venting fans right now to get the heat out the attic. The ones I got up here, on the other side down yonder, let's turn it on. I got them on right now. It's gonna keep the attic cool and kind of help the AC run more smoother and keeping the house more cooler though. But man, this is what I'm looking for, everybody. When we get a power outage or something that may last for a couple hours or even days or something, I expect this to run the AC unit in the whole house, you know. We're the only one on the block that has that capability. And of course, I got my EcoFlow on standby also, and my solar panels. That's in case I may need some extra power, you know. Let's put them outside, run these extension cables from them outside to my EcoFlow on the inside, as you can see. Help kind of run the house. But man, this is great. This is what I'm talking about, everybody. Okay, the AC socket off, as you can see. I want to see what it's gonna do when it sockets back on. Okay, the AC unit is still off, as you can see. And it's giving my solar and wind to recharge the batteries for the next round. And see how she does. Here's the status. My wind coming in, power coming in, and oh yes, it's getting ready. 25 volts. Let's check the hall monitor. All right, here's my hall monitor, my inverter, and let's check it out, see what she's doing. Let's check out the status. 25 volts. It's charging back up, and we're getting ready to run the AC again when it restarts. All right, it's looking good, looking great. All right, let's see what she does when I turn the AC back on from the wall. Since it cycled off, I got to lower the temperature a little bit to make it come on. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. It did it for the second time. It's the second time. This is a success. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna see how much it drew during when it cycled back on the soft starter app. As you can see, right now this is what she's drawing right now. All right. 10.4 amps on one leg and 11.5 amps on the other leg, as you can see. And charge controller is coming in, but the sun is kind of out, as you can see. Got car cover, so let's go check the app and see how much was the surge when it came on. All right, let's go to the app, connect to it. There she goes. Let's see the status right now. 22.1 amps to start that unit outside for the second time. No problem. It's so wonderful. That's why it's so great to have such a unit like this attached on your AC unit outside, though. Especially during power outages and stuff, you can run it. You can run the AC off your inverter or generator, you know. Yeah, the AC is on, as you can see, on solar for the second time. It suckered off and then came back on again with no problem. That micro air soft starter kit is so wonderful. It's wonderful, everybody. Come on, it's doing this thing. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, as you can see, we're getting a rain shower. This is why we at least need a solar system like I got, you know. Just in case the lights go out, we still have AC. Oh yeah, my wind turbine is still doing this thing, as you can see. On the bottom. Yeah, my baby's still running the AC outside, as you can see. It's looking good, although we're getting no sunshine, we're getting a big rain going through the area, as you can see. Running the AC off solar. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's check the status of the inverter, and for the second time the AC is on right now. Let's see how she does. 23.6 volts right now, because the sun is kind of behind the cloud. It's raining outside and it's looking good. Yeah, she's running. Look at my baby running the AC outside. Oh man, this gonna be a great video, everybody. Alright, here's my ProView energy monitoring system, and here's what the outdoor AC unit is drawing from my baby right here. As you can see, 1728 watt. As you can see, it's running the AC unit outside off my baby right here. So I encourage y'all to get an ProView monitoring system or any system like Sense Energy monitoring system. But she is running great. That's what I'm talking about. From the second run of the AC unit. Yeah, like I was saying, it's learning the starting habits of the AC unit outside. And it's down to 22.1 amps though. It's gonna remain there. 6.6 amps live current and all that. Looking great.